Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove background of photo without using any software. This is a simple method and you just need to open a website www.remove.bg in your web browser. By using this website, you can remove image background for free. Click on select a photo. From your folder, select an image. Click on open. Now my image is processing. Now as you can see, this is my original image and this is my image without background. So by clicking here, you can download this image. Now this image is saved on my desktop. Now I just open this image. Now this is the image saved on my computer after removing background. So friends, by using this website, you can very easily remove background of your images and can save it on your computer. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.